welcome back to my channel. Our menu today is steak, broccoli with white rice. Now let's start quick dinner. I have 2 ribeye steak, broccoli, and the white rice I already cooked in the rice cooker. Now I marinate the steak, a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic powder. Now let's do the other side. Same as salt, peppers, garlic powder. Marinate for 10 minutes. Now let's cook the steak. I will cook the steak in the pan today. I want my steak medium rare. I will cook 3 minutes on each side because my steak not too thick. Now let's cook broccoli. My water is boiling now. I put a little bit salt in there. Then broccoli. Cook for 1 minute. After 3 minutes with medium-high heat, I turn the other side and cook another 3 minutes with the medium-high heat. My broccoli after 1 minute. Drain out the water. 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Need to put in microwave for 30 seconds. My steak just about done. Now I pour some butter over the steak for both sides. Now let's plate. Steam rice, then steak with the broccoli. Garlic butter on the rice. And soy sauce. Enjoy your dinner. I hope you like this video. As always, please like, share, and subscribe for my channel for more video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.